Did you just get a private compliment on Instagram or social media? Be careful, because it's just 1 second and your life can be ruined forever. We are talking about sextortion. It's a digital trap that targets thousands of people every day. And today, I want to show you how it works and, most important, how you can protect yourself from it. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to know more about cybersecurity and keep learning how to protect yourself and your family online. Today, sextortion is a digital plague. It mostly targets teenagers between 14 and 17 years old, but it doesn't spare anyone. No matter who you are, you could be the next. Research from NCMAC shows that sextortion is rising at a terrifying speed. It's not just an online scam. It's a growing emergency that families and schools can no longer ignore. Just think about it. We went from 10,000 cases in 2022 to over 26,000 in 2023. That's more than double in just 1 year. And in 2024, almost 800 victims every single day. Today, a hacker doesn't even need your secrets anymore. They just need one photo with you at a party or an event. In seconds, they can use AI to put your face on someone else's body to blackmail you. Yes, it's fake, but it looks terrifyingly real. So they don't even need to talk to you or to ask you for intimate photos. They can just take your public photos on social media like Instagram or Facebook and use AI to create a nude deepfake with your face on. They create a lie that looks like the truth. But what can you do if you become a victim of sextortion? The one thing that you must never do is paying the ransom. Even if the scammers have really your private photos or videos. Paying them doesn't guarantee that your private content will not be shared online. In fact, it does the opposite. It opens the door to even higher demands from the scammers. To them, a victim that pays is a gold mine that they will never let go. Another thing you must do is report the scam. You can contact both the FBI and NCMEC. But there is another important thing. Do not delete the messages with the scammers. And don't close your social media profile. You need to keep every single chat as evidence to catch them. But what if your videos and photos have already been posted online? In that case, contact immediately the platform and demand them to delete your content. It's your legal right, and platforms has special unit that can handle it very fast. And if you want to know instantly if something with your name is posted online, you can create a Google alert with your name on it. Just type your name and Google will send you an email the second you appear somewhere new online. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your digital identity. All of these tips are if you are already in trouble. But what can you do if you want to prevent it? First, be careful with your private profiles. Keeping your personal account public and accepting everyone as your friend is like having the front door of your house widely open so that any strangers can go inside your home. I don't think you want to do that, right? So keep your circle small and your private profile really private. Second, don't trust any stranger. On social media, I can pretend to be a 20 years old girl. But in reality, I could be a 40 years old creepy guy. Don't trust people that you don't know. And never share your personal information or intimate photos to anyone online. Once it is online, you lose your control of it. And the third tip is cover your webcam. Camfacting is real and hackers can access to your webcam remotely. But if you want to know more about this, just watch these videos that talk about the camfacting. And finally, An important word for you, parents. Talk to your children about sextortion. Scammers are really experts at pretending to be at their age or even someone trustworthy, like principal or teachers or even officers. Here at Cyberpop is what we want to do. We want to help you to understand that internet and AI can be a very fantastic and amazing tool, but without protection, it can become really dangerous. And if you need help, use takeitdown.ncmec.org. It's a really powerful tool that helps you to remove minors' private content from the web. And you can find the link in the description and also in the first comment. And you? Have you ever been a victim of sextortion? Please, share your experience in the comment. Your story could be the warning that saves someone else. And if this video was helpful, share it to your friends and give us a like, so many other people will be aware of sextortion. And now, see you in the next video. Ciao!